What's the meaning of bloodstream? Bloodstream. Bloodstream.
Bloodstream. Bloodstream. Bloodstream is the collective term for the blood vessels and circulating blood within the human body. It serves as the transportation system for nutrients, oxygen, waste products, hormones, and immune cells to various organs and tissues in the body. The bloodstream also plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's homeostasis, regulating body temperature, and supporting the immune system's defense against pathogens. The heart pumps the blood to the arteries, which carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart and to the organs. The veins then return the oxygen-depleted blood back to the heart to be replenished with oxygen and nutrients.